Oh well, playtime, baby. Yeah, that's something that needs to be done as well. I can't do reviews unless I test this stuff. It is Friday, January 18th, 2019. This is the S2. Now, this is just a little bit of playing around, especially because I still need to get used to Tractor. I have the S4 and the S2 to review, but in order to review those the right way, I have to make sure I'm a little bit more familiar with the software. So that's one of those things that comes down to learning how to use multiple systems, which I think is a good thing in any way. So Serato is still my main thing, but I know how to use Rekordbox DJ as DVS, but I use it mostly when I do Rekordbox things. It's just the CDJ thing, but being familiar with those systems, same thing goes for Tractor. And they just did a video 2 days ago or yesterday, CDJs versus Ableton. And Ableton is still one of those things I really need to wrap my head around. I just like to know. I mean, I'm not saying every DJ should know every system. That's up to you. I've found that it is in my best interest to be aware and hopefully even a little bit knowledgeable when it comes to different systems. Same thing with making music. I've made music with a fast tracker program on an old Commodore Amiga. That's taking it way, way back. I've used old Ataris with MIDI and my S950 Akai sampler. I've used the MPC. I've used Cubase with an MPD. Then I went over to Machine. I've worked with Logic on several occasions. I've never used Pro Tools. That's still one of those systems that I'm not familiar with. But being able to work within different systems also allows you not just to be able to work with them, but also if you're doing like a collaborative effort and you're working with another DJ, another producer, another designer, another videographer, whatever it is, chances are other people are working on other systems. Sometimes it's going to be really hard to explain or understand something when someone else is using a different system. So I use Machine, but if someone is using Cubase and they're telling me about that they need to file in a certain way, or they're talking about their workflow, I have an understanding because I've used Cubase myself. So to me, it's always a good thing to learn new stuff. Like there's plenty of things you don't need to learn, like how we used to memorize a lot of stuff in school. And let's be honest, how much of the stuff that you learn in school have you applied in real life? I know most of the things I learned in school I've never used again. Now when it comes to like math and being able to do arithmetic, stuff like that, like counting, multiplying, that's useful. I use that. Yes, you can bring out a calculator, but just doing it in my head, I'm glad I can do that. Languages are great, of course, and a little bit of history, because history can teach you about the present and future as well. But like a lot of things you learned just weren't that important in real life. With this stuff, knowledge about all of this, it really helps me in my everyday work, and also to have a better insight of new things coming if you're already familiar with what's out now, because stuff is moving ahead all the time. So yeah, man, still not my favorite setup, having a controller with no moving platters, but I mean they work. You can get everything done on these except for turntablism. But it's cool to take a second look at Tractor now, Tractor 3, basically a brand new version of Tractor. So that's what I'm doing right now. After that, I'm posting a couple of my videos from the past weeks on Facebook and LinkedIn because I've been lacking with that. Like I said, YouTube has become easier with the scheduling, even though that messed me up today. I finished my review, the PT-01 Scratch video. So I uploaded that today, but I forgot that I already had a podcast clip scheduled for 6 o'clock. I should have taken that out as scheduled for a different day. So I forgot. So now my review came out at 2 o'clock, and 4 hours later, a new video came out. I mean, it's not the worst thing in the world, but one video besides the journey videos, a day is enough. So I could have used that video for another day, the podcast clip. But it's okay, it's out there now. But yeah, LinkedIn and Facebook, I've been lacking a bit, so I definitely need to upload more there as well, because I can reach different people on those platforms. Like the internet and all the social media platforms are not the same, and not the same people are on every platform. So if I want to expand my reach, add value to more people in different layers also, I have to really take advantage of that. So LinkedIn is definitely a priority, and Facebook I need to do more as well. So that's coming in a sec. It's already night, so it's not going to be not hours. First thing I'm doing after I'm done with this is a little quality time, because we need that as well, you know. Spend some time together. The kids are asleep now, so that gives us some time for ourselves. So I'll quit this in a couple of minutes, then we spend some time, then I'll upload some videos, and then I'm going to bed. It's been a full day already. I've done my workout, took the kids to school, got the kids from school, cooked, you name it. Made some bad, like good chili today, man. I was feeling it. I'm gonna get some more, even though I shouldn't be eating now. A little bit more. So yeah, man, that's it. A little more tractor, quality time, then I'll upload some more videos. And that's basically it, man. Try to make sure you can wrap your head around a little bit more than just the thing you're using yourself. It can help you out in different situations. And I'll be back tomorrow. It's Saturday. And last week I was talking about showing you content strategy, and I haven't done that. I have to make sure I do that this weekend. So Saturday or Sunday. Back to work later.